So here we have the starter kit for the Samsung Z Fold 3. It costs £79, but I got it for free because I pre-ordered the Z Fold 3. So it does have 3 things inside here, which if you buy separately would cost you a lot more. Let's see what's inside. So you've got a 25 watt 3-pin wall charger, USB-C connector right there. Now this would cost you £29 separately. Additional tips for the S Pen. Seems to be some guide, which I'm definitely not going to read. And of course you've got the case itself, which feels very light. And here you can see on the left, you've got the new S Pen Fold Edition. Now this case with the pen would cost you £69. So you can see, £29, £69. You're looking at 100 or £98 to buy these separately. So yeah, if you want to save a bit of money, just order this for £79. Don't care. Let's see how this case works. Put the phone in fairly easily. And it shuts like that. But it does add a bit more bulk, especially when you sort of try and hold it like that. It's very wide and very difficult to hold. That is annoying. I don't know if I can actually use this case. That is weird. So when you grip it like this, as you would, right? Yeah, it's just wide, but of course you're not going to use the phone like that, in all honesty. So you'll use it like that, at which point it's not bad, I guess. It's all right. And then when you unfold, it looks like that. This sort of flap hanging out at the edge or side of the phone. That could be a little annoying. Now the great thing is, this case will definitely protect this phone, and this phone, although I've sort of been using the Fold 2 for a while, and I've proven, I guess, from my daily usage that it's not as fragile as most people would make you think. It's still not as durable as a standard phone, so this case will definitely protect it. And you can see it's sort of, that camera bump was normally raised, and the case covers that, so it doesn't scratch when you put it down. It doesn't add much more weight to it. I guess from what I've seen, you can also slide this off. Now that's much easier to hold. If only you can sort of connect that somewhere else, like here on the bottom. I don't know. Maybe I can stick it on. I don't know if I want to do that. That might ruin the look of the case. Or maybe I can attach this to some other case. So I'm not too fond of these wallet type flip cover cases, especially in this situation, because how many times do you unfold? You unfold that, then you unfold that to get into the main screen. But you know what? I will use this for a bit just to see whether I like it or not. That just goes back in like that. Pretty cool. So that's the flip cover with the pen. Like I said, you can get it for cheaper if you get the Samsung Z Fold 3 starter kit for £79, which will of course include the 25 watt wall charger that Samsung no longer includes with their premium £1,600 phones. So thank you for watching. This has been Raja Rahman from Tectonic. Take care. This has been Raju Rahman from Tectonic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe and like. That would really help me out. And don't forget to check out these other videos too.